I am going to explain about great Indian mathematician Harishchandra. Harishchandra was one of the most brilliant Indian mathematician and physicist of the 20th century. Full name was Harishchandra Mehrotra. He was born 11 October 1923 in Kanpur, India. He has completed his early education at BNSD College, Kanpur, and pursued higher studies at the University of Allahabad, earning a master's degree in physics in 1940. Advanced studies in India, he continued his research at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, IISc Bangalore, and worked under the guidance of renowned physicist Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Studied in the United Kingdom. In 1945, Harishchandra moved to the University of Cambridge as a research student and studied under the famous theoretical physicist Paul Dirac. During his time at Cambridge, he attended lectures by Wolfgang Pauli. On one occasion, he pointed out an error in Pauli's work. This incident led to lifelong friendship between Harishchandra and Pauli. Shift to mathematics. While at Cambridge, Harishchandra developed a growing interest in mathematics, shifting his focus from physics. Doctoral degree. In 1947, he earned his PhD from the University of Cambridge. His doctoral thesis was titled Infinite Irreducible Representations of the Lorentz Group under the supervision of great mathematician Paul Dirac. Professional life and positions. Harishchandra began working at the Institute for Advanced Study, Princeton in 1963. In 1968, he was appointed as the IBM von Neumann Professor at the Institute. Influences and collaborations. He was significantly influenced by mathematicians Hermann Weyl and Claude Savelli during his time at Princeton. Maintained close academic contact with renowned mathematician Andrew Weil. Contributions to mathematics. He built a fundamental theory of representations of Lie groups and Lie algebras. He made major contributions to harmonic analysis on Lie group and their homogeneous spaces. He worked extensively in the field of representation theory. Honors and awards. He awarded the Cole Prize by the American Mathematical Society in 1954 for his work on the representations of semi-simple Lie algebras and groups. He received the Srinivas Ramanujan Medal from the Indian National Science Academy in 1974. He elected Fellow of the Royal Society of London. He elected Fellow of US National Academy of Sciences. Death. Starting in 1969, Harishchandra began to experience heart attacks. A second and third heart attack occurred in 1970 and 1982, respectively. From then, his physical capabilities began to decline. A fourth heart attack of Harishchandra occurred in 1983, leaving him mostly bedridden and in isolation. On the day after a conference organized for him and mathematician Armand Borel took place, Harishchandra died 16th October 1983 in the age of 60 at Princeton, New Jersey, United States. Also, Government of India established the Harishchandra Research Institute (HRI) in 1975. HRI dedicated to research in mathematics and theoretical physics, located in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. HRI offers master's and doctoral program in affiliation with the Homi Bhabha National Institute.